Looking for faucet replacement and installation in Edmonton? Whether you're upgrading your kitchen, fixing a leaking faucet, or installing a stylish new fixture, Kingstree Plumbing delivers fast, professional, and affordable service. Our licensed plumbers handle everything from kitchen and bathroom faucet installations to touchless models and moan replacements, ensuring precise workmanship and long-lasting results. In Edmonton, hard water and aging plumbing can lead to low water pressure, leaks, and inefficient fixtures. That's why our team provides expert solutions tailored to your home's plumbing needs. For trusted faucet replacement and installation in Edmonton, call Kingstree Plumbing or book online today to schedule your service.